Hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the December Fruit for Thought box. I am super excited. So this is like a lifestyle subscription and it has a fruit theme every month and it is so cute. I do not know what the theme is this month. Usually they give a clue, but I didn't get the box last month, so I have no idea. Fruit for Thought is available on Cratejoy. I'm going to link them down below. They also provided a promo code for us so you can save 20% on your first order. It is Kitty20. Again, I'll leave that all down below. They offer 2 different sizes of this subscription, which I love, so hopefully you can find something that fits your budget. So the full size, what we will be opening up today, is $43 a month, but they also offer a mini version for $25. Yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. My hair is like in this crazy like half bun right now, but I think my bun's cut off, so maybe that'll work for me. My hair's out of control today. When I open it up, this is what I see. There's a little note here. It says, Happy Holidays, Fruit for Thought, and look how freaking cute they wrap everything. So cute. So there's always like this little fruit ribbon. So it says Fruit for Thought, fruit scented, flavored, and colored gifts. And here's the card, so it says December themed Candyland. Awesome. Oh, it says the January theme is mimosa. You guys, I love mimosas so much, and now I need one. I'm picking up my parents from the airport tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So I might be like, hey, want to stop for brunch? Because mimosas, yes. So that is the card I was just looking at, and on the back it talks about what is inside. It says, Happy Holidays, we hope you enjoy your gift from our fun, festive Candyland theme. And everything is wrapped up super well in these little swigglies, so I'm just gonna reach in and pull out the first thing I see here. Ooh, and it looks like it's candy. This is by Candy Club. I always think they have such the cutest packaging. These are rainbow wheels. It says tightly wound coils of bold and fruity double-sided licorice. Ooh. I'm gonna bring these to my parents. They're having a party for my brother. My brother got married a few months back, but we're finally all getting together as a family to celebrate. So I think this would be a cute little thing to bring and put out in a bowl. Awesome. So these are so adorable. Let's see what it says on here. It says, it wouldn't be Candyland without candy. We've included yummy rainbow licorice wheels by candyclub.com and a giant swirl lollipop reminiscent of childhood. So there must be a lollipop in here. Let's take that out next. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this huge lollipop. This is amazing. This does remind me of childhood. This is awesome. I don't even remember, like you just like have to like I don't know. This is humongous. This is awesome. I think that is so cute that they included that. That's perfect for the theme. Next thing I see here, is this a cute pen? It says Smen's Gourmet Scented Pens. Scented pens? I love how it's like in this vial. Let's get this out. But what? I don't think I've ever had a scented pen. This is what it looks like. I can see like little holes right there. Is that where it's scented? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it says scent vents. It's cucumber melon. This is amazing. This smells so good. What does this write like? I have a notepad in front of me whenever I'm filming usually. So it looks like this is just black ink. It's like click pen. Oh my gosh. I would have loved this when I was in school. Just like take notes and be like, look like a big weirdo, but this is awesome. Let's see what it says. Oh my god. Sorry, I can't stop sniffing. I'm kind of like been congested, but I can smell this. It's like, it's nice to be able to smell things. I feel like I haven't been able to breathe through my nose lately. So it says, Senko.com, tricolor fruit scented pen will make writing thank you notes fun. It really will. This is awesome. So cute. Ooh. Next up, Lollipop Bubble Bath Cake. So, yeah, Lollipop Bubble Bath Cake by Luxe Blue. This is so cute. Look how fun and decorated this is. Like glittery, colorful. It says, to use your bubble bath cake, simply crumble your desired amount under running bath water for luxurious bubbles. Visit our website for ingredients and other homemade goodies at luxeblue.com. This is so awesome. Oh my god, a bubble bath sounds so good right now. It's kind of cold for Florida. Some of you guys called me out on social media because I'm like, brr, it's like 57 or like whatever. People are like, it's negative here, like shut up. But it's cool for Florida and I'm feeling a bubble bath. So let's see, where does it say on here? It says, relax during this crazy season in a bath with a fruity bubble bar by luxblue.com and a huge bath soap bar by Michelle Design Works. Ooh, so there's something else in here that's a bath product. So let's grab that out. Ooh, this is what they're talking about. This is so cute. This is by Michelle Design Works Holiday Treat Shea Butter Soap. And it has this cute Christmas design. Oh man, I might have to regift this. This is perfect for this month. How cute. So it says in here what the scents are. Let's see if I can smell like maple. It says scented in maple, fudge, and toffee with a sprinkling of rum and coconut. The packaging is so pretty you might want to give it as a gift. I just said that. It's like I already read it. But yeah, I think I might have to include this in one of my Christmas gifts to family members. It smells so good. Okay, I've been like smelling my items a little too long. Let's see what is next. Oh, I think we have some jewelry here. These are so pretty. These are so unique too. This is green tea jewelry made in the USA, made from certified sustainable wood on 90% recycled cards. Oh my God, that's so cool. So these are made from wood. Look at all the colors. These are so pretty. I love these. I might have to put these on later. So it says, we've included some fun, festive, colorful laser cut wood earrings by greenteajewelry.com that will be perfect for the holidays. And this item is only in the full size box, but it looks like everything else comes in all of the boxes. So the earrings you wouldn't get if you had the mini. These are so cool. I love these. I hope you guys can like see all the colors. Oh, that was like behind. Aren't those pretty? I think you can actually see them if I look at the viewfinder right. Awesome. And then I think this is the last item in here. Oh, so cute. It's like an ice cream bowl. Is that what that is? The star of the box is a fun ice cream bowl by gourmac.com to treat yourself when you're home in warm PJs this winter. This is so cute. Inside there's a little note there. Let's read it. It says, ice cream bowl, size to fit all of your toppings. Inlaid design will not fade. Heat resistant. Dishwasher safe. Awesome. BPA free. This is so cute. It's making me want ice cream. Oh my God, you guys, this box is always so cute. I think they do such a good job like staying on theme. So let's just go through it really quick again. So we started off opening some candy and it's a Candyland theme, so perfect. So we have these rainbow wheels by Candy Club. I've tried some other stuff from them. I think I got some like straws or whatever you call it, candy straws in one of my Pop Sugar boxes. They're a little sour, but I like them. Like thinking about them kind of makes my mouth water. And then we have this huge sucker. I think this is so fun. I might have to sneak this in a gift too. Because like seriously, when was the last time you had one of these? This totally brings me back to childhood. That is great. And then we had our scented pen, cucumber melon. This smells so good and it's super cute. I love this. Totally gonna use that. Like they said, thank you notes. I'm like, oh, I should remember to do that after the holiday season if I get some gifts. And then we have our bath stuff. So we have this like lollipop bubble bath cake. The colors and everything and the name of it, lollipop, like totally goes to the Candyland theme. And I love how they say like you can just break a piece off at a time, so this could last long. And it's totally getting me in the mood to like relax and take a bath. And I bet it'll make the bath like super fun colors too. And then this gorgeously wrapped holiday treats shea butter soap. It smells so good. How many times can I like sniff my stuff in this? Oh, I can't read the bottom. Yeah, it says holiday cookie is the scent, which makes sense. It's because it's like smells like maple and toffee, all the good stuff we were talking about earlier. But it says our triple milled soap is made of pure vegetable palm oil and glycerin and is enriched with moisturizing shea butter to provide a luxurious bath experience. Yeah, this will definitely be a gift, I think, unless I break down and use it myself. I'm gonna try and gift it because it is so freaking cute. And the earrings are so beautiful. And again, this is the one item that is not in the mini box. So if you get the $25 box, you won't get these. So these probably have a pretty high value. The card doesn't say the pricing, so I'm not sure exactly, but we can go on the website and check out anything. So if you like these too, yeah, you can just go to greentreejewelry.com and check out their stuff. I think those are so pretty, love the colors. And what they said, the star of the box is this ice cream bowl. which makes me kind of crave some ice cream. But yeah, this is a great box, and I'm totally looking forward to the mimosa box in January. I believe if you order now, the box you will receive is January, because it says in here order by the 18th to get the December box. I'm sorry I was a little late opening this. I am definitely behind on my boxes. It's a busy time of year, so yeah. So if you order now, you should get the mimosa box, which I can't wait. I love even the smell of mimosa stuff, like oranges and stuff, and a mimosa, oh, champagne, some bubbling orange juice. Definitely need that in my life. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.